Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get to the homeostasis reading assignment and how we are going to do that. So I did add a new folder for next week, August 31st through September 4th. So if you click on that, I did change the folder so it'd be a little easier. Instead of them being labeled Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I just labeled them for every day of the week. So if you click on Thursday, it will take you down to the bottom here and homeostasis reading activity. You're going to click on that and you're going to open it up, and you're going to open it with Cami. What I'd like you to do, the directions are right here. Make sure you highlight the key characteristics of life. So if you don't know what those are, you're going to go back to your characteristics of life worksheet from before. So if we go up here, if you don't remember what those are, go back to your characteristics of life worksheet, and it will give you them all across the top here. Back to the homeostasis reading activity. You're going to open with Cami, and you are able to highlight with Cami on this. If you haven't used Cami or you're unfamiliar, you're confused, email me and let me know, and I'll definitely help you out with that. But you open it with Cami, then you're able to highlight and do lots of different things with that. Then you're going to go to this homeostasis reading graphic organizer when you're done. And I would have the reading up while you're doing this, so maybe have two different tabs open. You're going to open the document, and it's going to talk about, it's going to have the three different organisms that maintain homeostasis that we're talked about in the reading. So humans, how humans maintain homeostasis, plants, how they maintain homeostasis, and animals. So you're going to be doing differences in each one of these boxes. And then down here, what are some similarities between the three? So how are they the same down here at the bottom? And then you're going to fill out how they're different here at the top.